The way the Bee Gees played.
Movies John Travolta made.
Guessing how much Elvis weighed. Michael Jackson still was black. Those were the days.
12% on the WB. Another bad show that no one will see. I need a drink.
I went through a 5-year orgy of nonstop pills and booze, with nothing to show for it but 4 Emmys and a Peabody Award.
Lisa, knock off that bracket.
But, Dad, I'm supposed to practice an hour a day.
I'll practice you.
You'll practice me. What does that mean?
Give me that sax!
No!
I said give me!
I said no!
Give me it!
No! Give it!
Give it! Give it! Give it!
Oh.
Oh, Lisa, it doesn't look so bad.
Oh, yeah?
Dick.
Dad, you don't understand. This saxophone is like my oldest friend. I've had it for as long as I can remember.
You don't remember how you got it? Tracy Ullman was entertaining America with songs, sketches, and crudely drawn filler material. And Bart was eagerly awaiting his first day of school. Now, son, on your first day of school, I'd like to pass along the words of advice my father gave me. Homer, you're dumb as a mule and twice as ugly.
School will be fun.
Welcome, kindergartners. I'm Principal Skinner, the school nurse who will provide ointments and unguents, and Jimbo, the school bully, who will administer noogies and nipple twisters.
I look forward to wailing on all of you.
Hey, we burn! Hide your hands from me, Heath! God, you understand English? Bart was feeling mighty blue.
It's a shame what school can do.
For no reason, here's a poo.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, except you were supposed to be telling the story of how I got my saxophone.
Don't! Come on, Maggie. It's Miller time. Yes, it's Miller time.
Homer!
Oh, my father gave me beer as a child.
Mom, can you tell me the story of how I got my saxophone and not have it turn into a story about Bart?
Oh, sure, honey. D-E. Line.
F, Bart. And believe me, you'll be seeing plenty of them.
Homer, I want you to look at this drawing Bart did.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, let's put Bart's beautiful drawing up on the fridge.
Homer, stop.
Bart, son, you want to play catch?
No.
Oh, when a boy doesn't want to play catch with his old man, something is seriously wrong. I'll play catch with you, son. Get the hell out. I'm gone.
Particularly one with as many flamboyantly homosexual tendencies as your son.
Bart's gay?
Bart? Wrong file. Lisa, if I have 5 apples and I take away 3 apples, how many apples do I have left?
2 apples.
But still, can't you do anything for Bart?
Marge, he's 5. His life is over. Lisa's the wave of the future.
Wave of the future!
Lisa Simpson has won the Nobel Prize.
Nah.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Here's the digits that make pi. 3.1415926535897.
Very good. Once we receive your $6,000 tuition check, she's in.
I'll give you $50.
Our fee is non-negotiable.
75.
Come on, honey. I guess this is a world you'll never know. Homer, it's 5 years later and I'm still miserable at school.
And my gifts are still going to waste.
And sometimes I feel so smothered by this family, I just want to scream till my lungs explode.
Looking for Ray Keefe. Give me those. Better wash these off. Oh, the hell with it.
Well, as if our troubles weren't bad enough, Springfield was going through an unseasonable heat wave.
And so Springfield's heat wave continues, with today's temperature exceeding the record for this date.
Now listen, if we can't afford private school, maybe there's some other way to encourage Lisa. An art class, ballet lesson. I guess it doesn't matter. All these things cost money and we just don't have it. Unless...
Unless what?
Well, there's that $200 we've been saving for the new air conditioner.
Mart, name one successful person who ever lived without air conditioning.
Balzac.
No need for potty mouth just because you can't think of one.
But Balzac is the name.
Up. Recirculated air. Well, I admit it looks bad, Flanders.
And the ugly duckling was amazed to realize it had grown into a beautiful swan. So you see, children, there is hope for anyone.
Even me?
No.
You're funny.
I am?
Yeah. And the world needs a clown.
Young man, I can assure you my posterior is nothing more than flesh, bone, and that metal plate I got in Nam. I want you to knock off that potty talk right now.
The principal said potty.
Eat my shorts.
All right, I'll eat your shorts.
Yeah, eat my shorts.
Elmo, this is it. Today's the day I get my new air conditioner.
Congratulations. Who's the little chick?
I'm Lisa.
She has a gift. Ooh.
Help us, Homer.
Wow. Musical instrument. Violin, tuba maba, oboe mabo.
That one.
Ooh, saxophone. $200.
Would you like an inscription, sir?
Yeah. To Lisa. Never forget your daddy loved. Don't! And that inscription is still there today.
But it still doesn't fix this.
You know, Homer, I think we have some money in the air conditioner account again.
Oh, but Marge.
Well, sir, we got a scorcher today. And to cool off, nothing beats Fruitopia.
Dear Lisa, may your new saxophone bring you years of...
You're a good father.
I learned from the master. Where's Maggie? Where's Maggie? I'm not kidding, I can't see.